Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add gradient color to text in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to add gradient color to text. Firstly, click inside of the text box. Then select any text. Click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the window menu and go to the text section and enable the character option. Otherwise, you can press Ctrl T on our keyboard to enable this and go to the character section. Then we can see here the font color option. Then we click it. Then go to the gradient section and we can see here the gradient stops. Then we double click to this stops and choose any color. Go to the color section and apply any color. Then go to the second stops and apply the color. Then click outside of the text box. Now we can see we add a gradient color to text very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.